Hey everyone, thank you for joining me for another exciting video. So as you know, everyone who is in the cloth and paper world, we're waiting on our November subscription box. Yes, I know it's October, but we're ready for it, right? If that's you, I wish we could just raise our hands or give me a heart or something. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, y'all, I have some sneak peeks right here in this box from the November subscription box. So I just want to say this: if you don't want to see the sneak peeks, don't watch this video. I have a couple of friends that's like, I'm not watching your video, I don't want to see it. I'm like, well, don't watch the video. But if you do want to see the sneak peeks, because I'm going all the way through them, talking about them, discussing them, then you just need to keep watching this video. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Moving the box over to the side. All right, so I feel like a kid on Christmas Day. I'm going to, you see it, right? Yes, this is the 2024 spiral. I'm not starting there first. I'm gonna just, yeah. All right, I'm putting my little paper over to the side so I can see what we're doing. All right, I'm gonna start with, let's see. I'm gonna start with these page flags, okay? So these are the arrow page flags that we were supposed to have in the October subscription box. We now have them in the November subscription box. So these are the arrow page flags. Y'all, I love these. I love these. And this is another set. We have two of them. So this is a matte arrow flags, and this is transparent. So cool, and so good. Lovely. I'm not gonna open these up yet. It's like Christmas. Y'all want me to open them up? I'm just gonna stick them in a planner anyway, so you can see these colors. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah, I want to give you all the deets, all the details. So that's that color. Looks like a gray. Looks kind of lavender too, right? Here's the next one. I've been waiting on these, and then this one looks black. Yeah, there you go. That's what the arrows look like. Okay, I'll put them back in here later. And then we have just the matte ones. I'm opening these up for the people that's like, open it up, open it, open it up. That would be me. That would be me. All right, so this is what that almost like a light gray or lavender looks like. I've already messed it up. Okay, and then we have, it only sticks on one side. So you can do this, have the gray, and then we have almost like a charcoal gray. There you go. That's what the colors look like right here. Okay, next after the arrows, so that's the arrow page flags, and then I'm going to show you this receipt journaling card. Y'all, I thought this was so cute. This is so adorable, and I'm going to show you what Ashley did with hers. So this is a receipt that says Old World, New Things. Cloth and paper, there's luxury and simplicity, Richmond, Virginia. And it's just like a receipt of things that you would buy. It says, see yourself living in abundance and you will attract it. It always works. It works every time with every person. Bob Proctor. Isn't that cool? All right, this is what I saw Ashley do with hers. She had one of her planners, and she just clipped it. You know how you just clip a receipt? And she just used a little clip and put it in her planner just like this. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, can y'all tell I'm excited? I'm so excited, just like that. That is so cute. That looks so good. I'm leaving it right there. All right. So this is just my little CP Petite that I got everything in. Okay, then let's see. We have the Semicircle sticker set. I'll take these out, so I want you to be able to see the color. Now, there are some people that's kind of like, I'm not sure about that color. I love this color. It's in Manuka. So I just want to peel one off, place it on something so you can see it. And people are, let's see. You know what? I'm going to do this for y'all so y'all can see what it would look like. You know what? I'm going to put it right here. This is what it looks like. Can you see that? It's still a neutral color, although it looks like it's not yellow. It's just, I don't know. It kind of looks goldish, brownish, goldish, but it would look great on a calendar. And I don't have all my inserts for CP Petite in here. All right, so this is the Semicircle sticker set, and then we have in that same color, just medium semicircles, and then we have, larger ones. There we go. So no matter what you're using, if you're using a CP Petite, if you're using a half letter, classic, whatever you're using, this will go with. Okay, I like that. I like that color, y'all. I do, and I think it goes really good. When you talk about November and we're talking about fall, I think that color will look good. All right, next, what do we have? So we went through the journaling card, we went through the semicircles, arrow pages. All right, next. Okay, next, look at this. This is the Cadence top tab dividers. Cadence top tab dividers, and of course they go with the spiral. So it has today on here. See that? It says today. Making sure it, there you go. It says today. This is this week and this month. That's going to come in focus. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. This month. Okay, y'all saw it. That's what happens when you use your phone. All right, then if you are part of the Penspiration, look at the pens that we're getting for this month. Y'all know I gotta do a pen test, I know some of y'all are like, Lacey, get to the spiral. I'm getting there. Y'all know we have to say the best for last. Okay, so these are the pens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Part of Penspiration. Let's see what we're getting. Pull these out. All right, the first one. First one is a twin marker. Twin marker. So that means it's on one side. I'm gonna write down twin. And then there's another side. I said it's one side, double-sided twin marker. And then this is marker. Oh, I like this. I like this. Very good. Twin marker. There you go. All right, then next, this is beautiful lavender page. This is Top Ball 861. Top Ball 861. Nice gel pen. Made in Germany. This is a 0.5. Okay, then we have, this is that like Blend? B-L-E-N. Ooh, I like this. This is very nice. What number is that? It's a 0.5 as well. This writes very nice. Very nicely. And then we have a Pilot Rex Grip 0.05. And then there's an eraser on it. Nice. I thought it felt like it wrote like a pencil. Feels like it writes like a pencil, but it erases. Okay, I love that. And then the last one, we have a Frixion light in a natural color. And it highlights. There you go. And a beautiful gray, which matches everything else. So these are the pens that we're getting if you are part of the Penspiration box. Okay, are y'all ready? Are you ready? I'm so ready. So this is going to be my catch-all planner. It's going to have everything in it. My whole life. And then I'll have some other planners. But this was too good. If you're getting the box, this is too good not to use. I'm telling you, like, it's too good not to use. Too good not to use. So this is the 2024 spiral. Go ahead and take this off. I almost don't want to open it, guys. So I want to save it, but it's okay because I need to start getting ready for 2024. Okay, so if you notice that it doesn't have the glass cover, which I like that because sometimes, you know, you get fingerprints, you get scratches. This right here, this is durable. This is very durable. And what I love, you still can pull it to the back. You still can flip everything over. Okay, so that's what I like, the cover that we have. And this IV is for the 24. All of the photos were taken by Cloth and Paper, their photographer, which I think it's great to have an in-house photographer. I think it's amazing. So here we go. Oh man. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, this is just gorgeous. I love this chair with a book in it. Okay, everybody knows. Let's just go. Let's just go. So this belongs to, I think I'm gonna have to use my Cricut to put my name in it. I think so. Then we're gonna have year at a glance, and I usually use like some dot stickers to go and indicate all my off days for the year, and I'll probably still use that for this off days. Then there's holiday observance right here. And then I love this. It says, if you want to have more, you have to become more. If you want things to change, you'll have to change. That's a word. That's a word. Okay. And then when you turn the page, there's a section for notes. And then we start right here with the month. And you have your goals. And I usually do like family, church, personal, work, things like that. You have a running to-do list, important dates, and bills due. Now, this is what everyone sent in. I'm not going to say their complaints, their concerns about. They are the big boxes. And so now we have the big boxes back for the monthly. You don't have to worry about down here where you write important dates. You can take your page flags and they go right on the boxes. They fit right on these boxes perfectly. So if you haven't ordered your page flags, get you some of these square flags, excuse me. These square flags, you need to get some. I'm going to get a couple of colors that I want to use in here for the year. And then after that, after the monthly, I think this is great. After the monthly, then we have two pages of notes that you can write down for the month of maybe like some of your goals, your hopes and your dreams, things like that. And then we go to January. As you can see, this is the horizontal weekly. This is probably one of their most popular inserts. I know I use it in a couple of my planners and I love it, but it starts on January 1st. I love that January 1st is starting right here on this Monday. So I know that this is Monday through Friday, and then I have the weekend over here. The way I use this, and most people, I put big events over here, and then these are tasks. And I love being able, I leave this first box open so that I can do a check mark and mark it off. This right here, sometimes I put labels for I might have personal right here, urgent right here, things to do, and then I just write under there. So I use this for various reasons. This section right here can be used for gratitude. It's enough spaces for the entire week, or you can use it for meal planning for the entire week. It's whatever suits you, whatever suits you. Okay, then after the month, there's another section for notes. So far I have seen 4 sections for notes for the entire month. That's really important to most of us. And then it's February, says, I am my own muse. I am the subject I know best. The subject I want to know better. And then we go to February. Right here, there's also, if there was going to be, if you want to put some tabs, right here, she has it already placed where the tabs would go. So when you look at it, see that? Now, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. We might be getting some other fun things to this spiral. So let me go all the way to the back because I don't have to go through the months with you. So we get to December. And after December, there is 2 notes again. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 for contact pages. Now, let's go through here. Excuse me if anything is shaking, but let's go through here. We have today. Okay, then we have this week. I think my this week, I would place it right before my weekly. This week. And then we have this month. Go right back before January. This month. You can place it here if you want to. I think I'm going to place it right here. And there are other things on the website right now that you can purchase for this planner. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? This planner is so beautiful. I cannot say that enough. It's so beautiful. It's so funny that I thought I had my 2024 planner lineup all together until I actually just saw this spiral. When Ashley did the sneak peek, I was like, I'm sold. I'm sold. It's going to be my catch-all. And so anyway, guys, let me know, what is your favorite so far out of all these sneak peeks? What's your favorite? I'm definitely going with these 2. I'm going with the planner first, and I'm going with the page flags. I love a good set of page flags. And so thank you again for joining me. This is going to be an amazing November box. If you have not subscribed to the box, you still have time. I believe the last date is November 5th at 11:59 p.m. I will check that to make sure, but time is winding up. So if you're thinking about it, go ahead and click that link below in the description box. It's my affiliate link. I appreciate you supporting me, and you can go ahead and place your order. Y'all check out the website for other items that you can add to this. I want to know in the description below, if you're getting this planner, what is the purpose? What are you using it for? All right, so if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. Click on the notification bell, and if you enjoyed the video, everyone, just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, take charge of your life, one plan at a time, and I'll see you on the next video.